Hi y'all, it's Sheila. Welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Today I'd like to do an unboxing with you, a mini haul unboxing from We Crochet. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe, hit the button below, and don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified when I have upcoming videos. Get to it. So that's what it looks like on the inside so far. Just to give you context for this, it took, let's see, I made the order and I posted it on a Saturday, and so of course they're closed on Saturday and Sunday, and they shipped it on that next Tuesday. So really business days, it took them a day and a half business days, and then 4 more days after that. And this comes from Ohio. I believe that's where it came from. Yes, Ohio. So this came from Ohio, so it took 4 additional days. Of course, they're not responsible for once it gets into the mail, how long it takes to actually get here. So 4 days. So, so look at, if you ordered like I did during the weekend, looking at a week before it actually gets to you. I don't think that's too terrible. So this is how they've wrapped it. So right on top, bunch of paper there. That just looks like that old computer paper. Let's get rid of that. Then I got my packing list. Okay, that looks all right. All right. So we have what we have inside going on. Some of this I purchased because I needed, like I shared before, I needed a different color to make the rug. And also they had kits over there, so you could purchase like a whole kit. They had like an introductory kit. I missed those. They were out of those, but there was an introductory kit because they were a brand new site. But it's like $20 for yarn and hook and different things. But they did have a beanie hat introductory kit for $5, which is in here. I'm guessing that we'll have to kind of pick through and see how they packaged it up. Let me see. Pull this out. So the little kit looks like it's not all together, so let me pull out what went with it. So let me look here. So this Brava yarn, so this is what came with the kit, and a hook and a few things there. So let's start with the yarn, then I'll put it all together. And so we'll do with the kit first. So this is the Brava yarn. Ooh, that's soft. Worsted weight. And this is in the color of Tranquil. Okay. Let me get my glasses here to see how many. It's a 100-gram ball of yarn here. 100% acrylic. It says it calls for a, really? An I through a K. Okay, I guess I could go with that. It's a number 4 machine wash and tumble dry. It still says Knit Picks on there, but my understanding is that's going to change. It's going to go from Knit Picks to another brand name. Look at the size of the yarn. If you've not ordered from them, that is the size. It looks like it does look like a 4, but maybe a lighter weight 4. That's a pretty color. Soft. That is really soft. It does not say, there it is, 218 yards. That's how much is in there. So this color here was part of a kit. Let me find the rest of the pieces to the kit. So that came with the kit. And then what also came with it was a hook. And this is supposed to be a size, where is that? 6mm J hook. Well, that's pretty. Let me see if I can get it out of there. There we go. Look at that. That's pretty. And there's the head. So you can see the head. And they're saying this is Caspian regular crochet hook. I do not see that this is marked in any way whatsoever to say that it's a J. So I would have to mark this myself if I wanted to remember later down the road that it was a J. I'm actually surprised. I mean, this really is pretty nice. I'm actually surprised. It has, and you probably could see it, but it has the thumb grip there, so a little decent shaft, and there is actually a thumb groove in here, so there is a place to hold it. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. So that was, like I say, $5 kit so far. I got the yarn, and then that hook. I know that that came with it. The other thing that came with the $5 kit, this has got to be it. It's supposed to be a, nope, that ain't it. Here it is. A Yay Crochet pen, what that looks like, enamel pen. So that's part of that. And then the last thing that comes with the $5 kit is this We Crochet book. This is supposed to be a magazine. Wow, this is really nice. Move this aside for a minute. That's really nice. And so you open it up. It has nice big pictures in there. I'll have to spend some time looking at this. Books. On the back it has abbreviations down the page. Like I say, this doesn't act like a magazine. This actually more looks like a book. There are patterns in here. There's the beanie hat pattern. So, because that's supposed to go with the yarn, this guy. So that's in there. Earth wrap pattern. Oh, they have some diagrams in there. Let me see what else. Well, back is full of patterns, so let me grab some stuff forward. Oh, 10 things to do with tassels. That's pretty cool. I'd say this was worth it. Oh, and then they do some Tuscany stitch there as well. That's a really nice magazine. I'll have to go through that pretty good. See what else is in there. Recommendations for books. Oh, I like that because I love books. You're going to see that in a minute. So recommendations for books. This is nice. So this cost altogether for these pieces was $5. So for $5, got the book, the yarn, the pen, and the hook. And so these items, this all together costs $5. Of course, they have it broken out here on, 50 cents there and 50 cents that for this and that. But these 4 items, because it was a kit, and it was intended that you would use the yarn and the hook to create the beanie hat. So that all came together. There goes my hook rolling away. Okay, so that's the $5 piece. Then another thing that I got 3 more skeins of yarn, again Brava, and this is in the coral color. Isn't that pretty? This is going to be in the coral color, and these cost, where is it? $1.39 a piece. They were on special. They were 20% or 30% off. Same thing, 218 yards, 100 grams, 100% acrylic, recommending I through K hook, machine wash, tumble dry. This is super soft too. That is really nice. I planned on using this to hook up with my greens to hook up with my greens to make a rug. But because that is so soft, I don't know if I want to take that and make a rug out of it and throw it on the floor. I got 3 skeins of that, which I figured would be enough for some of the work that I was going to do for the rug. So 3 skeins of that, so $1.39 per skein. That's a pretty good deal right there. All right, and then there comes my little box. I showed you that. I started to open it. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I remember this. I just purchased a little lint shaver because I didn't have one. Or if I did have one, it wasn't operational anymore. This was like, what is it? $3.99 was the price of that. So little lint shaver. I'll try that out. That's that. And then the rest of the stuff that I got in my box were actually books. My total order came to right around $35, including all of the yarn, all the books I'm getting ready to show you, and then I also had a 20% off coupon. So aside from my $5 kit, and then I spent another $4 on those 3 skeins of yarns, and then I also got 3 additional books. This one I got Quick Crochet, Home Decor. Their books right now are 40% off, and so this was $3.59. Let's take a quick look. 11 crochet projects for home. Ooh, that's cute. So it has a throw rug in there, pillow, cute little stuff, another pillow, of course the basket, that's cute. I might make that. I could use something additional for my yarn. And then of course a couple of Afghans that are in there. I'm not really a big Afghan fan. I like my rugs. Wall decor, I might consider making something of one of these wall decor items. More pillow, plant stuff, Afghan, that's pretty nice. It's not a bad material. It comes from Leisure Arts, which I like them. I've purchased other things from Leisure Arts, books from them as well, so I like that. It's more of a pamphlet size than a big book. Another one that I purchased was, this I'm really looking forward to going through, is My Crocheted Closet. Really, really looking forward to this one by Selena Baca. And you see that pretty thing on the front there. And this one, My Crochet Closet, I paid $11.97 for. It was 40% off. Look at some of this. I'm going to show you what reeled me enough to sit and go through it. But these are some of the things that are the patterns that are in this book, right? And we got hats, we got shirts, we got shorts. Let me get in here to the next page. There we go. More of the same. That is some pretty stuff that she does. Yeah. I would think that one that's on the front cover, yeah, I'm sure I'm going to be making that at some point, which is this guy here. And then this one over here in this corner, that looks really pretty too. Yeah, so it comes with the illustration. She recommends different yarns to use, gives a skill level, and then walks through the whole process. So very nice. I like that. And then the last one, this one is, it says it's a Knit Picks, Keeping Home by Knit Picks. This one I paid $7.50 for, and it's another, again, home stuff. So, and you can see that's kind of where my mind is going right now. So it's going to have a lot of the dishcloth patterns. What else we got in there? Cup cozies, hand towels. Oh, look at that. That's cute. So, very nice pictures with the instructions, and also not only the pattern, but they have the grids, which is really, I like the grids. That's very helpful. Let me see. So more of the same. I think that's a good price for this. Hanging towels. Oh, and then the hand towels. Look at that pattern. That's pretty. Yeah. That's pretty. So a lot of different things like that. Anyway. So that's what's in here. I'll have to go through it more thoroughly. But really everything that's in here is basically hand towels, dish towels, things for the home. So that's what I got from Knit Picks, but really what it is from We Crochet. I think that's pretty good. Like I say, I like books. Not a lot of yarn, but that was on purpose. I really wanted the books. I just needed the coral colors. See if I'm going to match it up for the rug. I might go ahead and do the little beanie hat, and I'll go through my books at a later time. But that's what I had. And so like I shared with you the prices, the different things that I purchased, and that's really about it for today. If you like this kind of content, please hit the button below and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that way on any upcoming videos, you will be in the loop. Have a great day.